Hello everybody, this is Danielus from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll have a sound test on see me here BV270 Bluetooth speaker, this one. Okay, first of all we'll test the music from microSD card. Just turn it on. Okay, insert the microSD card in this slot like this. This is the card. Okay, like this. Okay, it's enough. Just press once to switch to Bluetooth function. We take off the card. The sound is very rich, very clear. The bass is strong. I like it very much. Now we'll use the Ruizu X06 Bluetooth player to play music via Bluetooth. Okay, on this device. Okay, connected. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Don't forget you can buy this beautiful speaker from gearbest.com online store for only $24 US with free shipping. Thank you for watching. Bye.